guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I like to make peanut butter blossoms. Of course, I have a nut allergy, so I don't use peanut butter. I just substitute it for soy nut butter, and they are fantastic. But of course, you could just use peanut butter. And then as far as the Hershey Kiss goes, I know typically they just do the milk chocolate Hershey Kiss. I like to kind of spice it up, and a lot of times around this time of year they have hot chocolate cocoa kisses, and I like to add those because then it's just a little something different. But you do what you like, so let's get started.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make